In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to view your top and bottom sellers. Start by accessing the Departmental Sales Report from the Reports list within your system. Once the report is found, customize report details. Choose your desired node, period or date range and department groups required for the report. Once done, click on View Report to generate the report. After the report is generated, group the grid by product name. In the drop-down menu next to the grouping option, select Product Name to display the grid accordingly. To view the top and bottom selling items, click on the header of the Sold Quantity column. This action will sort the grid by the quantity of items sold, arranging them from ascending to descending order.